On this video you will learn how to make money with Teespring as a complete beginner. So as you can see on your screen right now, I've sold 205 products and I've made 2,346 profit, and I'm waiting to be paid $2,213. So Teespring is a print-on-demand website where you can upload your artwork onto pre-made products and you begin to sell. Once you get people to purchase your product, Teespring will handle the payment. They will ship the product to the customer and you earn profit once a product is being sold. This is free. You are not going to pay for anything. It's completely free and it's worldwide. You can do it wherever you are. So the first step that you need to take is to create a store and then start uploading your artwork onto pre-made product that you want to sell. For example, t-shirts, mugs, stickers, and many other products. So I will show you some of the products in this tutorial. So once you create a store, you are now going to click on start designing. So as you can see, once you click on start designing, you are going to choose a product that you want to create. So you can create products on the apparel category, you can go to the home category, you can go to accessories, and then you can go to holiday collections and you begin creating products to sell on Teespring. But before you choose a product, you need to choose a niche so that you can focus your product based on a certain niche. So I have some niches here which are doing well and I want to show you so that you can select from those niches. When you come here, these are the niches that I have done research on and they are doing well. So you can select any of this niche and then focus your products based on the niche that you end up selecting. But if you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, because this channel I talk about how to make money online. If it is your dream to make money online, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. As you can see, the niches here, we have animals, food, wedding party, pop culture, holidays, motivational quotes, events and conferences, fitness, music, schools and universities, clubs and organizations. We have humor, we have life, milestones and occupations. So these are some of the niches that are doing well on Teespring. So once you select your niche, you are now going to do your product research so that you can create a very good product for people to buy. So you want to look for products that are already doing well so that you can use that as an inspiration to create your own product. So what you are going to do is you are going to come to a website like AliExpress. Here they sell a lot of products. For example, if you want to create t-shirts, you are going to search for t-shirt so that you can get inspiration. So I'm going to search for animals t-shirt. As you can see, once I search animals in t-shirts, you can see the different kind of animal that has been designed on t-shirts. So you are going to scroll down and then you are going to check all of them. So once you like a particular design, you are going to go and model the same thing and then design the same kind of t-shirt and then sell. You can go for stickers, you can go for mugs, so it doesn't matter. So you are going to do the research to find an inspiration to also create a useful product. So the next website that you can do your product research is redbubble.com. so this is also a print-on-demand website that you can come to do your product research. So they have a lot of products here that you can also search to find which product that are selling well, so that you can also model the same thing and sell on Teespring. So let's search for animals and t-shirt for you to see. So as you can see, once I search animals in t-shirts, you can see the different kind of animal that has been designed on t-shirts. So you are going to scroll and then search for any kind of design that you like, then you are going to model the same thing. So as you can see, a whole lot of them, so you are going to select one. Another great website that you can use to do your product research is to come to Pinterest. So when you come to Pinterest, you can also do your product research so that you can find good ideas. So you are going to come to the search bar, then you are going to search for animals or the niche that you are searching for. So you search for that niche, the t-shirts that people are designing. Once you get t-shirts that inspire you, then you can also begin to create your own t-shirts on Teespring. So let's search for animals in t-shirts. So once I search animals in t-shirts, you can see different animals here. You can see some are using text, you can see some are using text and animals, So as you scroll, you can see a lot of ideas here. You can see different ideas here. So as I scroll, so you are going to take this process, do your product research well, so that you can create a product that can sell well. Once you finish doing your product research, you are now going to start creating your product. So let's go back to Teespring and I will show you. So when you come back to Teespring, you are going to select the category. So here in this video, I'm going to be using t-shirts as an example. So you are going to come to apparel. Once you come to apparel, you are going to go for t-shirts. So I'm going to go for t-shirts, and then you select that. You can go for men, you can go for women. So I'm going to use the men t-shirts. So once you select, you can see these are pre-made t-shirts that you can start designing. So you are going to select any of them. So I'm going to go with it. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on start designing. So once you click on start designing, this is the t-shirt that you can begin to design and sell. So what you are going to do is that you can add text or you can add image. So we are going to add image onto this particular t-shirt. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come to this website freeimages.com. so you are going to search for an image. So I'm going to use a horse as an example in this video. So let me search for horse. So as you can see, I search for horse, and you can see there are a lot of free images here that you can use. So the website is freeimages.com. You can go with pexels.com, you can go with pexabay, you can go with unsplash.com, but I prefer to use this website. So as you can see, a lot of images here. So as I scroll, you can see different horses here. You can search for any kind of image that you want on this website, and you are going to find it. So I'm going to download this. So you click on it. Once you click on the image, you can see it has opened, and what you are going to do is that you are going to download it here for free. These are free stock images. You can use them for whatever purposes that you want. So you click on download. Once you click on download, you choose the resolution. So I'm going to go with the full resolution. So you download. So you click on download again. So as you can see, the image has been downloaded onto my PC. So what you are going to do is that you are going to edit this image so that it will look nice for people to buy the product. So you are going to come to this website, photomania.net. So photomania.net is a free photo editor that you can use to edit your photos. So what you are going to do is that you are going to upload your photo here and then edit it. So you click on edit photo. Once you click on edit photo, you can upload your photo here. So you click on that, and now you are going to select your image and then upload. So you select the image, then open. So once you upload the image onto Photomania, you are going to now begin editing. So you are going to, you can select all these filters. You can go with artistic, you can go with fun, you can go with e-cars, and then Halloween. So I'm going to go with artistic. So you come that, and then you can select the kind of filter that you want. So I'm going to go with sketch. Once you come to sketch, you can choose any of these sketches that you want. So as you can see, you can scroll and then select any sketches that you want. So I'm going to go with black pen, then the photo here will change. So as you can see, the photo has been changed. So you can, as you can see, there is a watermark here, and what you are going to do is that you can remove the watermark. So you click on it, then come to remove watermark, and it has been removed. You can play around with the kind of sketches that you want. So let me go with master sketch again for you to see. So as you can see, the master sketch, so you can be playing around with it. You can also change the image. So once this is done, let me come here and then remove the watermark again. So here you remove the watermark, and what you are going to do is that you are now going to download the image, provided you like the editing or the filter here. So you are going to download it. Now it has been downloaded onto my PC. So Photomania, they have a lower resolution. So what you are going to do is that you are going to use a free software that can help you get the highest resolution. So you are going to come to Canva, and then Canva is a free graphic designing software that you can use to design several things. So here you can design t-shirts. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come to create a design. Once you click on create a design, you are going to select t-shirts. So you search for t-shirts. So as you can see, once I just search T, you can see t-shirts here, so you are going to select that. So once you select t-shirt, you are now going to upload your image here. So then you are going to drag the image and then paste it here. So as you can see, the image is here, and what you are going to do is that you are now going to make it fill the whole portion. So as you can see, so you are going to drag it and then make the image fill the whole portion. So as you can see, so we are going to make it this way. So as you can see, so now we have our full image, and what you are going to do is that once you finish designing your t-shirts, what you are going to do is that you are now going to click on download. Here you are going to download the file type as PNG, so you leave it like that, and you are going to click on download. So once you click on download, you are going to download it onto your PC, and you can see the file has been downloaded onto my PC. So the next step is to now upload your image here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on image. So once you click on image, you are now going to select your design and then add the image onto your t-shirt. So as you can see, this is it. So you are going to be careful so that the image will not go beyond the printed area. So as you can see, this is the t-shirt, and what you are going to do is that you are going to preview it. So as you can see, this is how the t-shirt is going to look like, and you can begin selling. So once you are okay with your design, so what you are going to do is that you are now going to choose the different colors that you want to sell your t-shirt. So here it is in black. We are going to add more colors. So what you are going to do, click on that plus sign, you are going to select add a different color, add this color, add another one. So once these are the colors that you can add, once you add the colors, you are now going to click on done. Once you click on done, as you can see, this is the selling price of the t-shirt. Once you get a sale, you are going to earn $11.36 in profit, and you can see this is in euros, $32.99 in euros, and that this is your profit. You are going to earn 11 euros as profit here. As you can see, you can also change the price if you like. You can also leave it with the default. So what you are going to do is that you are now going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, you are going to now add the product title, and you are going to add a description as well. So let me just write a title for you to see. So once you finish writing your title, the next thing is to write the description. Is the description that tells more about the product. So you are going to write a better description so that people will read about your product before they make a purchase. So if you are just starting out and you don't know how to write a better description, I recommend that you come to fiverr.com. Here you can hire freelancers to write a better product description for you. You can get some as low as $10. You can see $5 to write a better product description for you, so that you can sell your t-shirt. As you can see, a lot of freelancers here that you can hire to write a product description for you. So you are going to contact any of these people and then tell them more about the product, and they will write a better description for you. Or you can even send them the link of the product and they will view it and write a better description for you. So once you have your description, I already have my description, so I'm going to paste it there for you to see. So as you can see, this is an example of a product description. So you can see once you paste the description here, it is going to be displayed here. So now that you have your description, everything is set. What you are going to do is that you are going to come here. The visibility, you are going to leave it public so that people can find your t-shirt on Teespring. So the next thing is that you are going to choose your store. So you choose your store. I have my store here, Fresh Faces. So once that is done, you are now going to publish your listing. So you are going to publish it on Teespring. So you are going to click here. Once you click on publish, you are going to see a page like this, and this is how your product is going to look like. So as you can see, the price is here, and when you scroll further, you can see that the description is also here, and you can see the product is in small size, medium size, large size, extra large, extra large, so people can buy the size that they want. So what you are going to do is that you are not going to get people to visit this particular t-shirt so that they can make a purchase for you to earn the money. So the first traffic source that you can use to promote your product is to come to this website, bittube.tv. So this is a website that you can use to promote your t-shirt. So let me show you 178,000 visits per month. So this is a cheap traffic source that you can use to promote your product, and it's free. You can use it to promote your product. So what you are going to do is that when you come here, you are going to sign up for an account. Once you sign up for an account, you are going to click on upload. So once you click on upload, you are here, you are now going to upload the image of your product as a file. So here you are going to put it on display for a lot of people to view it and then purchase the t-shirt for you to earn the money. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come to your t-shirt. Once you come to your t-shirt, you are going to right click on it, then you are going to click here save image as. So you save the image of the product, and now you are going to give a name to your image. So here I'm going to leave it like this. Once you've done that, you are now going to click on save. Once you save the image, you are going to come to BitTube.tv again, then you are going to click on choose a file, and here you are now going to upload the image of your product, then click open. So once you click open, you can see that this is the image of your product. Once you upload the image of your product, you are now going to write a title for your product. So you can come back to the product and copy the title. So I'm going to copy the title of the product. So you copy the title. Once you copy the title, you can now come here and then paste the title here. So the remaining part is that you are now going to write a description of the product. So as you know, you already have it, so you are going to copy it directly from your store and paste it here. So as you can see, this is the description of your product, and you are going to copy the exact description and then paste it on BitTube.tv. So now that you have the product description, so what you are going to do is that you're now going to leave a link to your product. So when people view your image and then read the description, they can then come here to buy the product through your link. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come back to your store and then click on this particular icon, copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to paste your link here under the description. So once you paste your link under the description, people can now come here. Once they read the description about your product, they can click here directly onto your store and then make a purchase of the product. So once that is done, you are going to scroll down and come here. So you are going to click here post. So once you click on post, you can see the product is now live on BitTube.tv, and as you can see, the description is here and the link to the product is here. So people can now click here to purchase the product. So that is how you attract traffic onto your Teespring store for free without paying anything. So the next traffic source is to come to Instagram, then set up an Instagram page so that you can be attracting people to visit your product. So you are going to set up an account and name it according to the niche that you select, so that you can be posting daily and attract people to your product. You can also buy shoutouts from popular accounts owners. When they post your product onto their page, their followers can buy the product for you to earn money. So that is how you attract traffic onto your Teespring store to make money online. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.